like Tim Duncan might have shot the right hip out there a little bit on Boris, but we know he's not going to get his fourth call on that.
Antonio lead.
In the room. Once the exploit has completed, it returns the user to the home screen. Now let's take a look at the attacker's view. Here,
what it's like up on that Peter Pan, like paranoid, we the damn, but we the man. Proceed to jam. Call us if you need a hand. Call us if you need some grams.
I haven't been really a big fan of Joe Cole's corners. Not the best.
Recently married.
She took her glasses off, but she has not.
The cheers are reaching a crescendo as David Beckham prepares to step over the white line for the first time.
That made me laugh because you've got James and Lily and then Albus Severus, it's genius, and then Ron and Hermione, you've got Hugo and Rose, and then I think Victoire.
Alright. Bust 39 and a half.
Oh my god, they're so much bigger, I swear.
Alright.
It's like my face like melts into itself, like trying to make it seem like you didn't cut it, but I can tell you did.
I guess we'll
baby, see, it's ABC. I love you and you.
Eyelashes are in again, and they're the big thing now. Girls, go put the eyelashes on. I said I knew if I lived long enough, I'd win this battle.
Sitting on the kitchen table was her PTO.
Alright, Angry Nintendo Nerds, ScrewAttack.com, movie quote of the week, another one from Pokemon.
If elected president, what steps will you take to ensure terrorists do not attack your country?
A lot of pictures taken with you, and I don't really spend a lot of time looking at the signs and the T-shirts and the buttons, and so I don't have anything particular to say about a sign somebody else was holding that got a picture of these. You know.
Ein bisschen Glück im Spiel. 10. Minute. Das 1:0 durch Jakub Blaszczykowski, 21 Jahre alt. Letzte Saison 23.
There was a sense and energy from all the players out there. They knew who the best player on the planet was. He was doing all of the talking, and now you come to close the game. What's your first option, Joel?
Who's your daddy?
It's no good.